everyone, Laura here with a quick review on these adorable, dainty lightning bolt earrings. They are gold in color, and you can see that is a comparison to my pinky finger for size. One of my favorite features about these earrings are that they are actually two different shaped lightning bolts, and I think that is so stinking cute. But really, these are tiny. I love that they are dainty, but you can see as I zoom in, they are so very, very small. But I think that just makes them a little more classy. I love them.